Are you calculating your Amazon FBA fees accurately? I'm here to show you a new, accurate and fast way to calculate your Amazon FBA fees with this free Amazon FBA calculator Chrome extension. I'm also here to give you 50% off the Helium 10 full package, including the Chrome extension. So let's jump into the laptop and show you how it's done. So let's say we wanted to find out the costs that are involved to sell on Amazon FBA for these 1,000 plastic forks. We found this product and we want to look at if this thing is actually going to be profitable for us. Wouldn't it be great if you could just press a button and all of the information would come up? Well, that's exactly what I'm going to show you how to do at the moment. Now, what you would normally do is you would scroll down to the product information section over here, and you would copy and paste the ASIN number, and then you'd have to go over to the revenue calculator and you'd put in the number over here, you'd hit enter, and then you'd also have to put in the item price. So you'd have to go all the way back to the product over here. It's $16.99, so let's just put in $17. You'd obviously have to know what the shipping price is per unit, and let's say it's $2 per unit. And then the cost of the product as well. So if you put the cost of the product at $3, for example, you hit calculate, and then all of the information for selling on Amazon is over here. The referral fees and the fulfillment fees are all included over here. And you'd have to continue doing that for every single product that you find. Now, instead of doing this and wasting your time and having to click over here to find out what these fees are, there is a much quicker and simpler way, a Chrome extension that will allow you to get all this information super quickly. So click the link in the description. It's the first link in the description, and it will take you to this Helium 10 Chrome extension page where you just download the Chrome extension. You click the button over here on the right and it will download the Chrome extension for you, and it will be ready to use. So when you head straight back over to Amazon.com and you click on the Chrome extension in the corner over here, you will find a number of different tools that are available to you. However, the one that we will be using is the profitability calculator. Now, if you did want 50% off their product research tool, the inventory level review downloader, and the ASIN grabber, and the product research tool, I've got a link in the description with the discount code. So don't forget to put the discount code in there as well. Click the link in the description with the discount code and you will get 50% off. So the section we want to use here is the profitability calculator. So if I clicked on the profitability calculator, it will bring up all of the information. Now, as you can see already, there is a lot more information here that is very, very relevant to you and you should know for your product. So you've got your dimensions at the top, which is the size of the product, which has already been taken from the product information here. The weight of the product has also been taken into consideration, and the outbound shipping weight. The outbound shipping weight includes all of the packaging that's also involved in the product as well. We've also got the size tier over here, and then it's taken the existing price, the estimated time in storage, the estimated unit manufacturing cost. Now, I would strongly advise that you would change this once you get the information on how much it actually costs to produce one of these units, and you just put the information in here manually yourself. You've also got the estimated freight cost, and they base it per cubic meter, but you can also change this to per cubic foot, kilogram or pound, and they've put an estimate over here. Now, you can get this information over here once you have it from your freight forwarder. I'll show you how to do that in the next video, so make sure you watch that video and I'll put a link at the end for you. You just put the information in here and it will do the calculations for you on the unit freight cost. So this is how much it costs to ship the product over from the Chinese manufacturing warehouse all the way to the Amazon FBA warehouse. So this is calculating $1.92 to ship this unit straight over to Amazon FBA's warehouse. Now, as you can see, you have the storage fee over here, and you also have two different prices, one from January to September and one from October to December. Now, Amazon's storage is different through these months, and the reason why it's more expensive during October to December is that there is a massively increased amount of traffic going into and out of Amazon during the holiday season, the Christmas period. And this Amazon FBA calculator shows you that. Whereas if you went over to the Amazon site to try and find this information, it will not be there. So you've also got the FBA fee, which is the costs involved in pick, pack and delivery of the product by Amazon. Then you've also got the referral fee at 15%. Now, most products on Amazon have a referral fee of 15%, and I make sure I steer all of my students towards products that have a 15% referral fee. Now, some categories will have a higher referral fee, some categories will have a lower referral fee, but 15% is generally the way to go. But don't worry, this Amazon FBA calculator will change it based on the category that you're actually looking in, so there's nothing to worry about there. Now, if you did want to add in any other costs for such as inspection or anything like that, you can add that in if you wanted to, and it will do an automated calculation for you. Now, what you can see here is you can see the net profit per unit that you get depending on when you actually sell the product. You'll have your percentage margin over here, and you'll also have your return on investment. Now, the most important thing here is if you're selling 300 units every single month, I would strongly recommend that this is at least $10 per unit, and this is at least a minimum of 30%. So if this is making sense to you and you're going to get the Chrome extension, write profit in the comment section below. But what do you do when you're actually bundling and the sizes of the product changes, so the dimensions change and the weight changes? How do you actually use this profit calculator to go about doing that? Well, I've got all of this information in the next video, so make sure you click there now. I'll see you in the next video.